Hello everyone, today we will solve another equilibrium problem. Here the problem states a 4000 pound wheel with a radius of 3 feet is acted upon by a force F, figure 40, which is this one, which tends to pull the wheel over the obstruction at A. At the instant the wheel is about to move, the pressure between the wheel and the ground is 0. What is the magnitude of the force F at this instant if theta equals 30 degree? So let's draw a free body diagram for the wheel. Let's take the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. Here the weight of the wheel is 4000 pound. So let's indicate it. And then here's a force F which is pulling the wheel over the obstruction at A. Here theta equals 30 degree. And for the A, it will give a reaction at the opposite direction at the contact point. It will be perpendicular to the contact point. Here let's start by finding this angle. So let's find the value of this portion. For that we can use this point, that A's height is 1.5, which is the half of 3. And that's the radius of the wheel. So it will be something like this. The radius is 3 feet and the height is 1.5 feet. So if we use these two values, we can find the theta or the angle. Let's call it theta 1. So for that we can use sine theta 1 equals (1.5), which is the height, divided by 3, which is the hypotenuse. So the theta will be sine inverse 1.5 by 3 equal sine inverse 1.5 divided 3, we get 30 degree. So this value is 30 degree. So let's find the value of F. For that we can use the Lami's theorem. So by applying Lami's theorem, we get, for Lami's theorem we will have to use alpha, beta and gamma angle. For that we can assume this angle as alpha, this is as beta and this is as gamma. So we can write it as 4000 pound divided by the angle between the other two forces, which is alpha, sine alpha, equals F divided by sine beta equals R divided sine gamma. Here alpha equals 180 degree minus theta 1, or we can write it as this. So we will get 180 minus 30 plus 30. By adding the value of theta and theta 1, we will get 60. So if we subtract 60 from 180, we will get 120 degree. For beta, we will get 90 plus theta 1, and if we apply the value of theta 1, we will get 90 plus 30 equals 120 degree. For gamma, we will get 90 plus theta, which is also 30. So we will get here 120 degree. Then the question stated that we have to find the magnitude of the force F. So let's take this portion of the equation and solve it. For this, we can use 4000 divided by sine 120 degree equals F sine, the value of beta is 120 as well, so we can write F equals 4000, because it will be even each other. Sine 120 will be multiplied here and it will be divided by sine 120. So the value of F will be 4000 pound, and that's the answer for this math. Thanks for watching. Take the horizontal axis and vertical axis.